Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think that this is the 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So I believe we're in a wave 3, and most wave 3s do go to 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2, when 161.8 Fibonacci extension is all the way up to about the $2,500 area, which is where my target for gold is on the monthly. Now this is the monthly, and it possibly could take a year or more for that to play out. So going down to the weekly, this is the wave 1 I just showed you on the monthly. This is the wave 2, and then I think this is subdivisions like a 1 and a 2 of 3. So a 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3. If that's true, that means that we are currently in a wave 3 of wave 3. Wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so a wave 3 of 3 should be even extra strong, which means that, yeah, it may look like it needs to go down on shorter time frames, but it may, in reality, just keep on trending up towards that $2,500 area. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, like I keep saying on my most recent videos, it looks like a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which does make you think that it will take out the low of wave 4. But like I was explaining, a wave 3 of 3 should be one of the strongest trends inside of a trend. Wave 3s are strong. Wave 3s of 3s are extra strong, which means that it could easily make a higher low and just keep on trending up. So definitely be cautious if you are looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I keep saying that it looks like this is a wave A, it looks like this is a wave B, and it looks like it should go down for a wave C. But I keep explaining on the higher time frames that wave 3 of 3 is a very, very strong trend, which tells me that this could make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. The trend is up on the higher time frames, so if you are looking for shorts, you are definitely counter trend trading. Like I've been saying in all week long, it looks like it should go down for a wave C, but it may not actually do that. It may just keep on trending up. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it looked like it ended a correction yesterday, and it looked like the end of a wave B, just like I was saying yesterday. It looked like it should go down for that wave C. It looks pretty impulsive up. If it goes beyond this 78% Fibonacci retracement, then I would say that this being an ABC correction is completely out the window. If it does close above that, then I mean that pretty much proves to me that it's going up, and that it probably is just going to keep on going up. If it does respect this 78% and make a big engulfing move to the downside, then it could still be that 1. It could still be a wave 2, and still go down for a wave 3, 4, and 5. So like I've been saying all week long, it looks like gold should go down to make a wave C and take out the low of wave 4 on the higher time frames. Whether or not it's going to, I guess your guess is as good as mine. All I know is that the trend is up on the higher time frames, most likely a wave 3 of 3. And what happens in a wave 3 of 3? Usually it just keeps on trending up, so it may very likely just keep on going. So if you are looking for shorts, then you're definitely trading against a wave 3 of 3, which to me is a very dangerous game. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website, linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.